What is the best way to simplify expressions in algebra? Have you ever looked at an algebraic expression and felt overwhelmed? You are not alone. Simplifying expressions can seem tricky at first, but with a clear approach, it becomes much easier. Let's break down the best way to simplify expressions in algebra step by step. First, if your expression has parentheses, start by removing them. This is done using the distributive property. For example, if you see 3 times the quantity of x plus 4, you would multiply 3 by x and 3 by 4. This gives you 3x plus 12. If there is a negative sign outside the parentheses, remember to change the signs of all terms inside when you remove the parentheses. Next, look for like terms. Like terms are those that have the same variable parts raised to the same powers. You can combine them by adding or subtracting their coefficients. For instance, if you have 5x plus 3x, you can combine them to get 8x. However, if you have 5x plus 3y, you cannot combine them because the variables are different. Now let's talk about exponents. When you have terms with exponents, apply the rules of exponents to simplify. For example, if you multiply x squared by cubed, you add the exponents together to get x to the power of 5. Always simplify powers within terms before combining like terms. After you have simplified, arrange the expression in standard form. This means writing the terms from the highest power of the variable to the lowest, with constants at the end. This organization helps make the expression clearer and easier to work with. Sometimes, you can simplify even further by factoring out common terms. For example, if you have 6x plus 9, you can factor out 3 to get 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 3. Factoring is especially helpful when you are preparing to solve equations or perform additional operations. Let's look at a practical example to see these steps in action. Suppose you want to simplify to x plus 6x times the quantity of y minus 7 minus 8. First, distribute the 6x to get to x plus 6xy minus 40 to x minus 8. Next, combine like terms. 2x minus 42 gives you negative 40x. The final simplified expression is 6xy minus 40x minus. By following these steps, you can simplify algebraic expressions effectively. Remember to use the distributive property, combine like terms, apply exponent rules, and organize your expression neatly. This method makes working with algebra much more manageable and helps you build a strong foundation in algebraic concepts.